Well, the first female justice on the Supreme Court, Sandra Day O'Connor, is being remembered at a funeral today. The service is happening at the National Cathedral in Washington, D.C. President Joe Biden, as well as Chief Justice John Roberts, will both speak. ABC's Liz Landers has more on her legacy and today's events.
A trailblazer remembered in Washington, D.C. today. Former Supreme Court Justice Sandra Day O'Connor memorialized at the National Cathedral after she died earlier this month. Her casket carried into the cathedral as loved ones and former colleagues gathered. Chief Justice Roberts, O'Connor's son Jay, and President Biden all delivering eulogies at her funeral. Biden saying in a statement that she was an American icon. President Biden also ordering the flags lowered to half staff in her memory today.
It's hard to be the only woman on the court, which I experienced for about 10 years or so.
The Arizona native was the first female Supreme Court justice, appointed by President Reagan in 1981 and serving for 2 decades on the high court before retiring in 2006. She was known for her decisions favoring states in disputes with the federal government and twice joined the majority to uphold Roe v. Wade, reaffirming a woman's right to an abortion. She also voted to stop the Florida recount in the 2000 election, and George W. Bush became president. Monday, lying in repose at the Supreme Court, where the public and fellow justices could remember her.
Like countless other women, I will always remember the day Sandra was nominated to become the first female Supreme Court justice. Sitting in my district attorney's office in New York, I felt the gravity of her nomination.
O'Connor was 93 years old. O'Connor once said that she hoped her tombstone would read, "Here lies a good judge." Yesterday, Justice Sotomayor said it also should remember her as a wife, sister, grandmother, all the other aspects of her life. In Washington, Liz Landers, ABC News.